Hello, thank you for tuning into CeeDeeLight's video today. This is Dee here. I wanted to bring you a quick video showing you the fog lights that I recently had install on my 2025 Indian Scout Classic Limited Tech Plus package. I want you to see how bright they are. So hopefully if you do have an Indian Scout, a 2025 Indian Scout, you can have a clear picture of how bright these lights really are. Okay, stay tuned for the video. It's a quick one. Bye.
Low beam headlight. This is high beam headlight. And this is adding in the fog lights. So you have like 3 levels of lighting. Fog lights up there. High beam shining at the mailbox. Low beam.
Yeah, low beam, there's no mailbox.
No mailbox with low beam.
And no trees. High beam, the trees come out. Like, wow. Big difference. And these are the lights right there. They're super bright.